How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Everyone, is Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open File Manager and go to Internal Storage. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply after that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Android. Then go to Media. After you've clicked on Media, search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on WhatsApp again and then go to Databases, which is the second option. Then simply select all the files and then click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen. Then you will find Copy option. Simply click on Copy and then paste it to Backups in WhatsApp files. After you've pasted, your messages will be recovered. This is how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.